Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallet's name on CLV Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, make sure to open your CLV Wallet application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage of your wallet, tap on the wallet icon at the top of the screen, and then from the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on wallets under setting. Tap the three dots right next to your wallet and tap on change name. Go ahead and erase your current name and type in the new name you'd like to update for your wallet and tap on apply in the pop-up. And that is how you should be able to change your wallet's name on CLV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.